Hey guys, so we're going to be talking more about migration, which is part of our five theme movement. So, first, migration is the act of moving from one place to another with the intent to live in another place permanently or for a longer period of time. There are two different types of migration. The first one is a forced migration where the people they have no choice but to move somewhere else. It can also be called involuntary migration. Then you have voluntary migration where they choose to leave the place because they think that the new place has more benefits than the old place where they have the disadvantages. So there are two words that obviously sound very similar: immigration and emigration. So, immigration with an I is migration to a place in order to settle there, and then emigration with an E is migration from a place to settle in another place. So, you can think of it as like immigration, you're going in to a new place, and emigration, you're exiting the old place you were living. Now, you guys are really familiar with push and pull factors. So, push factors are the negative reasons for wanting to leave a place. Again, that's the emigrate part. They can be, some examples can be a lack of food or water, natural disasters, a lack of jobs, and wars. So, think about the people who are being affected by Hurricane Harvey and Irma, where there's a lot of flooding. It's very dangerous where they live right now, and even when the storm passes, it's still too dangerous for them to get to their homes and to get to their belongings. So that's going to push them out of where they are currently living to go to somewhere safer. And then pull factors are the positive reasons for wanting to move to a place. Again, that's more food and water, a better climate, higher wages, and freedom. So there can be several reasons for migration. The first two are environmental and political. With our environmental, the examples could be that there's a flood, water supply, climate, food supply for animals. So it's not just thinking about humans moving from place to place, but also animals having to move place to place because they're starting to run out of food where they currently are or water. You also have political reasons for migration, such as political freedom, better laws, no wars, or maybe too strict of laws. The other two are cultural and economic. So the cultural examples are the desire for religious freedom or chance for a better education. And then economic is to overcome shortages of food, housing, or space and to find better employment or higher wages. So this was a quick video tonight. The last thing you're going to do on the bottom of your notes, now that you have gone more into immigration, is you're going to complete the three-way tie. So at the bottom of your notes, you're going to draw a triangle like the one here on the slide with an idea about immigration at each point. So, and then along the lines that connect the 3 points, you're going to explain the relationship between those 2 points being connected. So if you just follow the example below with how I labeled it, you should be able to complete the three-way tie with no problem, and then we will discuss it tomorrow in class.